Space is a great thing. It's like when you occupy space, it's a bit like occupying your brain, but what do you occupy it with? Sometimes you just don't know how you occupy space. The word space is a big thing for me, and I think you should think about it properly. So you see all these ones was my rabbit hutch was there, covering that space right there. But now I've cleared it. I've cleared that space. Now it's like I've freed some part of my brain. And it's funny how you stumble upon things that you never thought were there. You knew it was there before, but you covered it with space, and then at some point you forget about them. But they're still there. Look at that. You know, with every disadvantage, there is always advantage, even though they look like not so much in good health. These flowers are still very much alive. They are green. They are surviving under that hutch that I created. It's not just that one. These one as well. And that one. So my friends, just understand, with every situation, this one I did a bit of surgery on it. So I held it with a tape and it's holding okay. The rabbits ate it. As you can see, they cut it. They can be destructive sometimes. So what have we learned? What are we learning from here? I'm someone who tries to learn something from every situation, and I see this situation as, even though it's unfortunate everything that's gone on, I've managed to free a space right there, and this was all that was put together on that space. Parabolically, this means something. Tell me in the comments what you think it means for you to free a space, because I'm seeing a potential there. That is going to go to, that is going to go to, and I'm freeing more space. And if freeing the space is part of my healing, then what do you see in it for you? Do you have some things that are occupying space, either in your head, in your house, in your garage, in your life? Do you need to do some clearance? Let me know in the comment section. Bye for now.